What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Ashimaryhair. So it came in this really big box. I'm going to open it up and show you guys everything that I got. So I got an elastic band, a pack of wig caps, lashes, a razor, edge brush, another elastic band, and then here's the wig, you guys. The lace is pre-cut, knots are bleached. It is a 360. As you can see, it does have the adjustable elastic band on the inside as well. And then showing you guys the back right there. Like I said, it is 360, so it also has the pre-cut lace, and it has the adjustable straps as well, where you can tighten the back of it so that way you can wear it up in a ponytail. This is the wig on my head. You guys can see the lace, and I'm just lifting it up so you can kind of get an idea of how the back would look. Now I'm applying some foundation on the inside of the lace, and I am applying it all the way around, front to back. Now the lace is pretty much invisible. I'm going to cut off a very small amount of lace just so that it lays properly. I need to cut off that lace that is going over my ears. Like I said, I'm only cutting a very small amount, and also just being very careful because I don't want to cut the clear straps in the back, because I do need those to tighten the back of the wig. I also cut some of that extra lace that was in the front of the wig. It wasn't that much, so I didn't have to cut much, but I did want to cut that off. I'm going to be gluing this wig down just because I'm going to be doing pull back hairstyles like updos. So I feel like it's really important that I glue the front of this lace down so it doesn't slip off or slip back when I'm pulling on the wig, because I'm going to be tugging on it a lot. So yeah, I'm going in with some glue. I did 2 layers, and then once those 2 layers dry clear, I went ahead and laid the lace down right on top of it. I put the elastic band on so the glue can finish drying down, and then I'm just going over the hairline with the hot comb because I did not do this in the beginning. So I'm just going to do that while I have the band on so I don't burn my forehead. Now that I have the wig installed, I can go ahead and move on to styling. So I'm just going to do a little half up, half down. I'm doing really deep side parts on both sides. I like how that looks, like the little curved part. So yeah, as you can see, I'm trying to get both sides to look symmetrical. Once I am satisfied with my parts, I'm just going to go over that with a hot comb to make sure that that top is laying flat. Now I'm doing the baby hairs. I just pulled out that little section of hair and then cut it. Then I'm just going to lay with some gel and just begin forming my swoops. And I just pushed the remainder of the hair behind my ear, and I did leave a little out for a sideburn. I'm just going to leave it like that and cut it, but still leave it long. I'm going to use this anti-frizz serum. I love this stuff, but I went ahead and tied the lace back down just because I'm going to be tugging on the hair, so I just want to make sure that that stays in place. So yes, I applied that anti-frizz serum onto the hair because I am going to be curling it. This is the best texture of hair to do like wand curls. Like, they're gonna come out so good because the hair is already so full. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do. So I'm just brushing out the hair, making sure there are no tangles, and this hair is definitely not tangled. It brushed through really easily. Taking my first piece of hair, and I'm just going to wrap it around the barrel. I have not used this curling wand in a very long time, so I'm excited to use it. I believe this is like a 1/2 inch barrel. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, I like this one because it gives the look that I want, because it's really small. You guys will see as I continue to curl the hair. I'm just going to continue doing that and curling it going away. So this is one side completed, and that's exactly how I want them to look. So I went ahead and curled the other side, and now I'm curling the little ponytail at the top, doing the same thing. So this is the first look of the half up, half down. Super cute. I love the wand curls that I did. I'm really happy that I decided to do that, because how cute is that? And the hair curled really well. As you can see, it's still holding a curl, and it has a really nice bounce. So now I'm going to do my updo. So I just took all the hair and pulled it into a ponytail holder, and then just clipped the top with a hair clip or a claw clip just to help hold it in place. So that was really simple, really easy to do, and the back is not like tied down or glued down or anything. Like I said, it has those clear straps in the back to help hold it down, so that's really convenient. We can do multiple looks with this wig, and I love that. I also love that it's already pre-customized, so that makes it very easy. So if you guys want the same look, I will have everything listed down below. Make sure you check it out. Like, comment, and sub if you're not already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear